In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first form in Mailerlite. We'll walk through the entire process together, from finding where forms live in your dashboard, to designing one that matches your brand, and finally getting the code you need to add it to your website. By the end, you'll have a working embedded form that can start collecting subscribers for your email list. Once you're logged into your Mailerlite account, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu there. Find and click on the option labeled Forms. This is the central place where all of your sign-up forms will be created and managed, so it's a good idea to get familiar with it. On the Forms page, look for a button that says Create. Go ahead and click that. This tells Mailerlite that you want to build a brand new form from scratch instead of editing an existing one. Next, you'll be asked what kind of form you want to create. Choose Embedded Form. An embedded form is designed to sit directly on a page of your website, like your homepage, a blog post, or a dedicated sign-up page. After selecting that option, you'll be prompted to give your form a name. Pick something that clearly describes where or how you'll use it. For example, homepage newsletter form or blog sidebar form. This name is just for your own organization within Mailerlite, and visitors will not see it. After naming your form, you'll need to choose a subscriber group. This tells Mailerlite which list or segment new subscribers from this form should be added to. Select the group that makes the most sense for this form's purpose, then click Continue to move on. Now you're in the form editor, where you can design how your form looks and what information it collects. Here you can customize the text, adjust colors and fonts to match your branding, and decide which fields you want to include, such as first name and email address. Keep the form simple and easy to complete, focusing only on the details you truly need. Take a moment to preview how it will look on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the design, click Done Editing to save your changes. Finally, switch to the Embed tab. Mailerlite will generate a code snippet for your new form. Highlight and copy this code. You'll paste it into the HTML of your website wherever you want the form to appear. After saving your website changes, your Mailerlite form will be live and ready to collect subscribers.